I'm with IP Label here at Connected Cars 2016, and here to tell me why IP Label is here is Arthur. Hi Arthur, tell me a bit first of all about what IP Label is, what services it provides.
So at IP Label we develop technologies, mainly software, probes, to make sure that the digital services are working fine. By digital service I mean a website, I mean an IP application, I mean a mobile application. So we're going to check that this application, from a user perspective, they're working fine, that you can access it. Because when you're developing connected car services, you want to make sure that your clients will be able to open the application and check their information.
Terrific. So I was going to come on to the relevance of being here at Connected Cars 16 because it sounds as though IP Label provides quite a broad suite of services really for user experience management. But talk to me specifically about how that manifests itself when it comes to automotive sector.
Sure. So we've been working with the car manufacturer as with many other industries, specifically on their IT systems. But recently, obviously, they've been launching a lot of new services. The thing is that they're in a best effort approach. So they launch the service, but they have not yet integrated all the quality measurement tools that they used to work with their IT systems. So what we're doing is just taking this technology to measure the new services that they're launching. For example, the use case with Renault, the French manufacturer that we're going to introduce this afternoon, is about how their dealers are using tablets application to show the connected services that Renault is providing to the clients. And they just want to make sure that these tablets are working fine, so the sales team are able to give the clients a proper information about connected car services that Renault is providing.
Okay, so in terms of sales enablement, that's a good, clear use case. But when it comes to cars, let's say 2, 3, 4 years' time, however long it is before we start seeing a real bulk of really connected cars on the road, what sort of services do you think you'll be able to provide then?
So with the car manufacturer, what we're doing is also helping them pick up the right telecom operators. If you have some embedded services or devices, you want to make sure that the connectivity that you're offering to your client is good. And for that, you need to select the right operator. If you listen to telecom operators, around here, for example, they'll tell you that their coverage in one given country is all green and is perfect. But actually, if you check your telephone, for example here, you see 4G on your telephone. But if you want to run a transaction, because we're so much using it at the same time, the network is not going to allow you run this transaction. So we're going to help car manufacturer select and track along the way the service level agreement that the telecom operators are delivering to them.
Partnerships are key for you, and you hinted a moment ago at a partnership you've got coming up with Renault. Tell me more about that. Well, I'm guessing that IP Label is a French company, perhaps?
Yeah, as you can guess with my accent, it's a French-based company. Also, I've been working for 5 years with IP Label in China, where we extended the business, and the issue for Renault is the same as in other countries, especially in Asia, where connectivity with telecom operators is not so easy. We're going to help them not only have the proper technology to do the measurement, but also work on the methodology, so that the service aspect that we're providing to car manufacturer, and we work with a partnership approach on that.
Arthur from IP Label, thank you very much indeed for joining us.
Thank you, David. Have a good day.